Now you may be thinking, India, when was the last time you washed your hair? 8 days, my friends, 8 days. And counting. Today we're testing out a brand new method for me, and it's called the Wash Now, Style Later. I feel as though this method was created with me in mind. I am truly the laziest when it comes to my hair. I've been seeing this all over the interweb, and I kept seeing wash now, style later. Wash now, style later. I'm thinking, yes, tell me more, I would love to wash now and style later. So we're gonna be putting it to the test today. And biggest of thank yous to JVN Hair Care for sponsoring today's video. I've worked with them before here on YouTube, absolutely love their products, so I'm excited to share a little bit more about them with you guys. Wash now, style later. Okay, so it is literally as simple as it says. I watched a lot of videos on this. I wanted to be sure I got it right. So you literally just wash your hair, style later. It's amazing. It is nighttime if I seem slightly delirious. So we're gonna be jumping in the shower, washing our hair. I am going to, it seems that you can either let it air dry or you could diffuse, just like, you know, like a casual diffuse, like you're not really styling it. You're just kind of trying to get it dry. Or you can go the like, you know, wet bun on top of the head to go to sleep vibe, whatever works best for you and your hair. I'm gonna be going the diffuse route tonight before I go to bed, but first, let's hop into the shower.
We are jumping in with JVN Hair Care's Embody Shampoo. This is their volumizing shampoo. I have been using this shampoo for over a month, and honey, if you are looking for volume, this is the shampoo for you. It's truly become a holy grail for me. I don't have enough good things to say about it. One of the key ingredients of JVN Hair Care in general is hemisqualane. This is an alternative ingredient to silicone that is truly superior. Now with my shampoo, I of course want to get volume. With my conditioner, I want to get hydration. So I'm jumping in with JVN's Nurture hydrating line, and this is also chocked full of hemisqualane. I rarely purchase my shampoo and conditioner from matching lines because typically one is for volume and one is for hydration. But Jonathan Van Ness hooked it up and he created a set where you can get the volumizing shampoo mixed with the super hydrating conditioner. This set is a dream. From November 19th to December 4th, JVN Hair Care will be 25% off site-wide. Check out the links down below to shop.
We are fresh out the shower, and I'm gonna jump in with the JVN Complete Blowout Styling Milk. This product is chef's kiss. I have no idea if people still do that, but we're doing it here today. So I just like to use 1 to 2 pumps. You don't need a lot. And then you just wanna disperse kind of evenly a little bit all over the hair. There's so many fantastic ingredients in this product. Of course, this product once again has that hemisqualane that we spoke about a little bit earlier.
Hello, future India popping in here. I'm watching this back and I realized I didn't explain this product very well. It's essentially a lightweight heat styling cream. It's a heat activated styler that can protect your hair from heat up to 450 degrees. You can activate by blow drying, flat ironing, curling, or waving to your heart's desire. The Complete Blowout Styling Milk controls frizz by 99% in high humidity for up to 48 hours. I hope this helps. Let's dive back in.
So I'm gonna go diffuse my hair. We're gonna let it dry completely, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. Fun fact, I used to only do showers at night, do my hair at night. That was just kind of like the routine that I was in. And then because of how I style my hair now, I don't have as much time in the evening. That's when I wanna be, you know, talking with Daniel, walking my pups. Like, I don't know. I don't wanna be doing my hair. All that to say, I kind of stopped styling my hair at night. But if I begin to use this method, maybe I'll be able to do half of my wash day routine at night and then the other half in the morning. All right, I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. It is the next day and this is how my hair air dries. Let me rewind. This is how my hair looks when I blow dry it, like, I don't know, 80 to 90%, and then sleep on it. It's kind of just like a poof ball. And I know many of you can relate to this. But what we're gonna do with our wash now, style later is we are going to dampen our hair all over, and then we're gonna jump in with our styling products.
Spoiler alert, I did not really get my hair wet enough to get rid of frizz. Soak your hair if you want less frizz. You're welcome.
This is a pro tip to do your makeup after. Do your makeup after you do your hair, okay? First up, we're gonna jump in with the Air Dry Cream from JVN. Now this is a fantastic air dry cream. I've talked about this multiple times here on my channel. If you're wanting kind of that like I use about that much. If you're wanting that kind of piecey, beachy, voluminous, like something that's not gonna weigh your hair down and be too overly hydrating, just that perfect air dry beachy look, but you can still get definition. That's this air dry cream. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to rake this product through my hair so that it's really nicely evenly distributed, and then we'll go in with our gel, and then of course scrunch until our heart's desire to get that nice definition that we're looking for. I used a little bit too much on that side. I still have some left over on my hands, but I did just go back and add a little bit more for this side. My hair is highly porous, especially because I literally just got it highlighted a couple weeks ago, and so it's just like, it's thirsty. So I'm just raking it through and being sure it is nice and evenly distributed throughout, and then we're gonna jump in with a hair gel. This is from Natural Mothers. This is the Frizz Control Sculpting Gel. This does say it's a flexible, firm hold. In my personal opinion, I will say this is more of a medium to light hold gel, which I personally really love. Medium is the most hold that I really ever go for. I'm gonna scrunch this in a little bit with our microfiber towel, get out any excess water, so the diffusing doesn't take 20 hours. You can see the definition starting to form and come in really nicely. And then we will use the praying hands method to apply our gel that is just precariously on my hands. I shouldn't have put it in my hands before doing this. I'm doing everything out of order today here, folks. One thing I'm already noticing is I feel like I already have, maybe I'm just being crazy, but I think I already have more volume from like blow drying yesterday. It feels more airy and more voluminous. It's hard to tell if it's because my hair wasn't soaking wet, or if it's just because I've got better volume on that day 2 hair. And sliding on down. Sliding on down. I'm gonna go diffuse and I will see you guys in 10 hours. That was a horrible joke. I'll see you in like 45 minutes. Okay, these are our finished results. I feel like I've saved future India hours, and I feel like on the nights when I do want to shower at night, because that's just truly what I love, I'll get to do that. I'm really happy with the results. I have been using these JVN products for, these bottles of JVN are halfway empty. I've been using them for about 2 months now, very consistently. This combination is the dream team. I love the ingredients, I love the results, I love that it's recyclable. I love everything about it. I wanted to use products I already knew and loved, so I knew that I would enjoy the products. I think with this method, the only thing that I will kind of have to tweak as I go, and maybe just accept that it won't be a perfect first day wash. The pro is that you definitely get more volume, of course, on that 2nd, 3rd, 4th day hair. So applying your stylers on the 2nd day is gonna just, I mean, my hair just feels like it's just lifted. But with that, my hair wasn't quite as soaked as getting out of the shower as it would be re-wetting it a little bit, right? So I think that I have a little bit more like frizz and flyaways up top. Essentially, it doesn't look quite as frizz-free if I would have applied the styler to soaking wet hair as opposed to the damp 2nd day hair. I will without a doubt try this again. I literally can't stop looking in the viewfinder because I feel so confident and beautiful and happy with this hair. I miss my waves, I miss my curls. Every time I like go to straighten my hair or curl my hair, I'm always like, oh my gosh, I love this. And then I go back to my natural hair and I'm like, oh my gosh, I love this. It's so fun to play, but I hope this video was helpful, fun, and educational. Biggest of thank yous to JVN for sponsoring this video. Your products are a dream, and I love you, Jonathan Van Ness. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.